All right, I'm doing a cold motor start so you can see it. My hand's on the heat shield there, the radiator. It's all cooled down. Starts up fine, runs fine. The interior is kind of dirty, but you kind of see it. It's got junk, but they're Cargo seats. You open up the doors. Kind of see in there a little bit. Everything's I got the HKS turbo timer.